Welcome to this explainer. Let's uncover how your brain actually makes everyday decisions, helping you choose better.
Quick test, a bat and ball cost $1.10. The bat is $1 more. What's the ball cost?
Did your brain just scream 10 cents? That is your fast, automatic intuition, your System 1 talking.
But do the actual math. The ball is 5 cents. Your fast brain totally tricked you.
Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman actually exposes these tricky cognitive traps in his groundbreaking research on decision-making.
To keep it simple, he breaks our minds down into two characters, System 1 and System 2.
Think of System 1 as your autopilot. It's lightning fast, highly emotional, and constantly jumps to conclusions.
Then there's System 2, the controller. It's logical and deliberate, but unfortunately it is super lazy. Because System 2 is lazy, System 1 uses shortcuts. It swaps hard life questions for dangerously easy ones. Like an executive investing millions in Ford stock just because he thought their cars looked cool. Crazy, right? To avoid doubt, System 1 literally invents convenient context for us. This frequently leads to terrible everyday choices.
It loves cognitive ease. Familiarity and a good mood make us drop our analytical guard entirely.
For instance, System 1 wants to stare at an oddly dressed person. System 2 forces you to look away.
Overriding those quick impulses takes real mental effort, just like reading a tricky chart aloud perfectly.
So how do we switch gears, spot the mental trap, deliberately pause, and wake up System 2?
A huge daily tip: never make big choices when exhausted. Fatigue disables System 2 completely.
Also, definitely seek an outsider's perspective. We spot other people's bad decisions way faster than our own.
So think about your next major choice. Is your lazy autopilot driving, or are you truly in control?